What if talking to AI actually felt like talking to a real person? No weird pauses, no waiting your turn, no getting cut off mid sentence. You talk, it talks sometimes at the exact same time. OpenAI just quietly changed how voice AI works, and honestly, most people scrolling right now have no idea it's even here. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So here's the news. OpenAI just launched something called GPT-Live. It's a completely new way to talk to ChatGPT with your voice. And this isn't a small tweak. This is a whole new voice model built from scratch. There are two versions of it. One is called GPT-Live 1 and the other is GPT-Live 1 Mini. If you're paying for ChatGPT, you get the bigger one. If you're on the free plan, you get the mini version. And it's already rolling out right now on iPhone, Android, and the web. Here's why this actually matters. The old voice mode worked in turns. You talk, then you stop, then it talks. It was basically like using a walkie-talkie. You had to wait your turn, and if you paused for even a second just to think, it would jump in and cut you off. Annoying, right? GPT Live fixes that completely. It uses something called full duplex, and I know that sounds technical, but it's actually simple. It just means the model can listen and speak at the same time, exactly like a real conversation. You can talk over it, you can jump in whenever you want, and it just rolls with you. It even does these little human things while you're talking, like saying, or yeah, to show it's actually paying attention. And if you need a second to think, it stays quiet, it doesn't rush you. Now, here's the part I actually like the most. GPT Live is fast, but when you ask it something hard, it doesn't just freeze up or give you a weak answer. Behind the scenes, it hands your tough question off to a much bigger, smarter model, and that model does the deep thinking, the web searching, the heavy lifting. And while all of that is happening, GPT Live keeps chatting with you, so there's no awkward dead silence while you wait. Then it brings the full answer right back into the conversation, and you barely even notice the handoff happened. You can even control how much thinking it does. There's an instant setting for quick answers, and there's a medium and a high setting for when you actually wanted to dig deep. So you're the one deciding how fast or how thorough you want it to be. And here's why it feels so much smoother than before. The old voice tools stacked three separate parts. One part turned your speech into text, one part figured out the answer, and one part turned that answer back into a voice. Three steps, one after another, and that's exactly why it always felt slow and clunky. GPT Live doesn't work like that anymore. It processes what you're saying while it's already forming the answer all at once, making tiny decisions many times every single second. Should it talk right now? Should it keep listening? Should it pause? That's the whole trick behind why it feels so natural. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Let me tell you who this is really for, because it's not just for tech people. Think about anyone who works with their hands full. You're driving, you're cooking dinner, you're walking the dog, and now you can just talk and the conversation actually flows instead of feeling like a chore. One of the product leads at OpenAI even said he's had 30 and 40-minute conversations with it while out on walks. That tells you everything. This isn't just a quick question tool anymore, it's built for long, real conversations. It's also huge if you think better out loud. Some people process ideas by talking them through, and now you've got something that actually listens, nudges you along, and stays quiet when you're mid thought. It feels less like typing into a box and more like thinking with a partner. And it's a massive win if you hate typing on your phone. Over 150 million people already use ChatGPT's voice and dictation every single week. So this isn't some tiny niche feature. This is already how a huge amount of people use AI, and GPT-Live just made it way better. Now, I always keep it real with you, so here's the honest heads up. At launch, GPT-Live doesn't do video or screen sharing yet, so if you want to point your camera at something and talk about it, you'll still need to use the older voice mode for now. OpenAI says they're working on adding that in. There's also a live translation feature where it can talk in other languages, but it's still early and the accent isn't perfect on some of them yet. So don't expect magic on day one for every single language. But the core thing, the natural back and forth talking, that part is the real win here, and that's exactly why the early reactions have been so positive. It's not that the answers got smarter overnight, the smarts were already coming from the model, working behind the scenes. What's actually brand new here is the feel. It just feels like talking to someone who's genuinely listening to you. I actually pulled up GPT Live myself and tested it out because I wanted to see how it handles real, meaty questions, not just something like, what's the weather today? I asked it to act like it was running a business and give me its top 5 moves over the next 90 days to double growth and revenue. And honestly, the answer came back sharp. Clear offer, a content plan, a proper sales funnel, a referral system, and a real focus on retention. Then I pushed it further and asked how that same business could stand out from giant competitors and build something that's actually hard to copy. And again, the answer was genuinely thoughtful. It talked about building around implementation and results, not just information, and creating something proprietary that bigger tools can't just replicate. And here's the big lesson from testing it. You can ask GPT Live pretty much anything, even big picture strategy questions, and actually have a real back and forth about it, instead of firing off one prompt and reading a giant wall of text back. So, a few quick tips if you're going to try this yourself. Talk normally, don't overthink your words, it's built for messy, real speech. If it starts going somewhere you don't want, just interrupt it, that's the entire point. For hard questions, bump the thinking level up to medium or high, and for quick stuff, just keep it on instant so it stays fast, and honestly try a longer conversation with it. Go for a walk and just think out loud. That's genuinely where this thing shines, and it feels completely different from typing into a chat box. A year ago, this kind of natural voice conversation with AI barely existed outside of demos and lab videos. Now, it's sitting inside an app most people already have on their phone. That gap closed fast, and it doesn't look like it's slowing down anytime soon. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free, and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.